Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a partial invoice in QuickBooks Online. A partial invoice lets you bill a customer for just a portion of a product or service, perfect for deposits, milestones, or progress billing. I'll walk you through creating it in QuickBooks Online, and along the way, I'll point out where to enter only the amount you want to charge now. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account and heading to your main workspace. At the top left, hover your mouse over the Create button. This opens a quick menu of common tasks. From here, select a monthly invoice. That takes you straight to the new invoice screen. At the top of the invoice, click into the customer field and choose the customer you want to bill. If this is a new customer, you can add them first so their billing details and email populate correctly. Double check that the company name and email look right to avoid delivery issues. Next, add your product or service. Use the product service column to pick what you're billing for. Now, to make this a partial invoice, adjust the quantity, rate, or amount to reflect only the portion you're charging today. For example, if the full quantity is 10 but you're billing half, enter 5. If you bill by a flat amount, you can simply override the amount field with the partial figure. In the description box, it's a good idea to note something like deposit or 50% upfront, so it's clear to the customer what they're paying now. Also review tax settings for each line so they're accurate for this partial bill. Take a moment to confirm the invoice date, terms, and due date. The invoice number usually fills in automatically, but you can edit it if your workflow requires a specific sequence. If you track locations, classes, or projects, apply those here so your reports stay clean. When everything looks right, click Review and Send. This opens a preview of what your customer will see, along with the email subject and message. Keep the message simple and clear. Mention that it's a partial invoice for the specific work or milestone. Make sure the email address is correct, and if you accept online payments, verify the payment options are toggled on for a smoother collection process. Finally, click Send Invoice. QuickBooks will dispatch the email and record the invoice in your books. You can now monitor the balance, and when you're ready to bill the next portion, just create another invoice for the remaining amount using the same approach. That's it. Your partial invoice is sent and ready to be paid.